Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. The story was very. Correct answer. C. Interesting. Question 2. Please tell me what time the movie. Correct answer. B. Starts. Question 3. He. Working here since 2010. Correct answer. B. Has been. Question 4. It. Raining all day. Correct answer. C. Has been. They are in the garden when it started to rain. Correct answer. C. Were playing. Question 6. I. Breakfast before leaving for work. Correct answer. A. Have. Question 7. She. To the market every Sunday. Correct answer. C. Goes. Question 8. They. Playing cricket when I arrived. Correct answer. C. Were. Question 9. He. Completed his homework already. Correct answer. B. Has. Question 10. We. Not seen him in years. Correct answer. A. Have. Question 11. The sun. In the east. Correct answer. B. Rises. Question 12. I am looking forward to, from you. Correct answer. C. Hearing. Question 13. My brother. To school by bus. Correct answer. B. Goes. Question 14. They. A new car last week. Correct answer. C. Bought. Question 15. He speaks English very. Correct answer. B. Well.